Hi there, my name is Jesus Nava and I'm the Director of Education here at TradeStation. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the TradeStation desktop. But before we jump into features and functionality, let's talk about some of its highlights. The TradeStation desktop was designed with the active trader in mind. This platform provides you very powerful tools that allow you to analyze the markets and scan for opportunities in real time. But one of its greatest features is the level of customization it gives you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you can customize and build this platform to fit any trading style. We will cover 5 main areas of the desktop: how to navigate the platform, how to place a trade, how to manage orders and positions, how to create a chart, and how to build watch lists and filter symbols. So let's get started. As you can see, my TradeStation is already open and I'm connected to my trading simulator. Hover over Apps to see all the available TradeStation apps. Hover over Trade to get access to our trade bar. Hover over Position Graph to see a graph of your open positions. The status bar at the bottom of the platform provides information about your account and displays the different workspaces tabs that you have open. Click on the plus sign at the bottom to create new workspaces. There are different applications in TradeStation that you may use to place a trade. They're all different. Some are faster and more efficient than others, so my suggestion is to try them in order to choose the one that works for you. For example, you may use the trade bar at the top of TradeStation. Use the tabs on the left to select the asset you wish to trade: equities, options, or futures. This trade bar is pretty standard and self-explanatory. Use the boxes available to fill in the symbol, the quantity, the type of order, the price if needed, and the duration. And once you're ready, click the buy or the sell button. You may also use the matrix. Let's open it from the apps menu. The blue and the red columns display market depth data, which is also called level 2. One of the great features of the matrix is that it allows you to enter trades with one click of the mouse. First, make sure the symbol you want to trade is loaded on the matrix. If not, you may change the symbol by typing it in on your keyboard. The command line pops up showing you what you typed, and then press the enter key. Check the quantity and other settings on the right. And now we just click the blue column if we want to buy or the red column if we want to sell. For example, to buy at this price, I click the blue cell next to it. Notice that an order is submitted and displayed in the orders column. To cancel the order, click directly on the order box. You may also click and drag the order to change your price. I'm going to raise my order by about 5 cents. I click the order box, hold my mouse button, and drag my order to the new price. By doing this, the original order is canceled and the new one is entered at the new price. The Matrix app makes it very easy to trade. We just placed a trade and got filled, so now it is important that we keep track of this open position. You can use the matrix to monitor your position's P&L, or even use the close and reverse buttons to manage your position. To get a detailed view of all the orders and all the positions in your account, let's open up the Trade Manager app. There are multiple tabs at the bottom of the window. The Orders tab displays all orders placed today in chronological sequence. They're color-coded based on their status. You can use the filters at the top to load historical trading activity. You may right-click on any active order to cancel or replace. The Positions tab displays all positions that are currently open. The green ones are profitable and the red ones are losing. Right-click on any open position to manage it. The position graph at the top of the platform also shows a graph for each open position. Real-time profit and loss is displayed inside the graph. Drawdown is shown on the left, and run-up is shown on the right. You may also right-click on these position graphs to exit. TradeStation has one of the most powerful charting features anywhere. Some of the features that we're going to highlight are how to change the symbol, how to change the time frame, how to add studies, and how to draw on the chart. To create a chart, click the Chart Analysis icon from the Apps menu at the top of the platform. The chart comes preloaded with a symbol. To change the symbol, simply type the new symbol using the keyboard and the command line will pop up. Once the new symbol is entered, hit the Enter key on the keyboard. To change the time frame or interval, click the Time Frame button at the top of the chart and select from the menu. If you don't see the time frame you're looking for, select Customize in the menu, and this will take you to the Customize Symbol dialog, where you can change the symbol, the time frame, and the amount of historical data on the chart. Let me give you a few tips to maneuver around the chart. Click the up and down arrows on the keyboard to increase and decrease the bar spacing. Click on top of the bars or candles, hold your mouse button and drag the chart in any direction. Click on the price scale, hold your mouse button and drag up or down to increase or decrease the price scale. To reset your chart view, click the Reset button that appears as you move your cursor towards the bottom of the chart. The TradeStation desktop offers an extensive library of technical studies and indicators that are popular in the industry. Click the Studies button at the top of the chart and select Add Study to view the list. Studies are organized in 5 different categories. For example, let's add some moving averages. I search for moving average 2 lines, click the study to highlight it, and then click OK at the bottom of the dialog. The study gets added. If you wish to adjust the calculation parameters, click Studies, but this time select Edit Studies. Select the study you wish to edit, click Customize on the right, and in the Inputs tab, you can adjust different parameters for the study. Most studies in TradeStation are pre-programmed to alert you when conditions are met. All you need to do is enable the alert. For this, select the Alerts tab and check the box for Enable Alert. Check the configuration buttons below to change the alert sounds and messaging. If you like to mark certain levels on the chart by using trend lines or other annotations, click the Drawing button at the top of the chart to see all the drawing tools. Now, let's talk a little bit about building watch lists and filtering symbols. For this, we use an application called Radar Screen. Radar Screen is a powerful market monitoring and real-time scanning tool. It gives you unlimited flexibility in the types of market data and analysis you can access for your trading. To get started, click the Radar Screen icon from the Apps menu at the top of the platform. A blank radar screen opens. You can see that there are already data columns applied, but you can customize your radar screen with hundreds of additional built-in data columns and indicators. The first thing we need to do is add symbols. You may type symbols one by one, or you may insert a list of symbols by clicking the Data button at the top of Radar Screen and selecting Add Symbol List from the menu. In this example, I'll use the NASDAQ 100. Notice that the 100 symbols that make up the NASDAQ 100 index were added to my list. One of the great features of Radar Screen is that it allows you to filter and rank symbols so that you can focus on the symbols that matter the most to you. For example, I can use the filter bar at the top of Radar Screen to filter this long list of symbols. Let's suppose that I only want to see the ones that are up 2%. I click on the first drop-down to select my filter column, in this case percent change. I select an operator in the next drop-down, in this case greater than, and in the last box I'll type 2. Notice how only the symbols that are up 2% since the close of the previous trading session are currently displayed. You may open as many Radar Screen windows in other workspaces as needed, and you can organize your symbols by labeled rows and tabbed pages. Of course, We've just skimmed the surface of Radar Screen, and as you dive deeper, you'll discover why we think Radar Screen is the most powerful real-time scanning and market monitoring tool anywhere. So this is the TradeStation desktop. In summary, we used the matrix to play some simulated trades. We also showed you the Trade Manager to monitor and manage orders and positions. Now you can create chart, you can add studies and drawings. And finally, we showed you how to use the Radar Screen to create watch lists and filter symbols. But we have only scratched the surface of how the desktop platform can empower your trading. I encourage you to explore all the other features TradeStation has to offer, and how TradeStation can help you take your trading to the next level. To learn more, please visit us at www.youcantrade.com, TradeStation Securities, Getting Started, and the Masterclass channels. Hope to see you there.